guys, and welcome back to another Ipsy Glam bag unboxing. It's not in the envelope, and I am very glad that I did go through it, because I had to have them replace several items from this and from the box, so while it's not in the shiny pink envelope, we're still gonna go through these. So anyways, this is for September. I know we're way behind, but still, this is for September. I love the astrology bag here with all the little symbols and star signs. I feel like this would have looked better in navy blue, but that's just me. But look at this. It's like a little quartz up here. I don't know if it's real or if it's plastic, but either way, it looks really, really cute. I like it. Anyway. Where's the card? There it is. So, this is what it looks like. September 2019, find your light. September is all about new paths and possibilities, so whether it's going all out with a bold new lip shade or masking at home to recharge from within, that still doesn't make sense, take a moment to rediscover your guiding North Star. Where will it lead you? #discover yourself. Good news, Mercury's not in retrograde this month, and your 5 glam bag products have arrived. Allow us to demystify them for you. And then it has the info. And on the back, Ipsy, your glam bag just got better. Starting with your October glam bag, enjoy these new features. New, choose a product every month. I've already been able to do that for a few months. Beginning on September 24th, you'll be able to choose one of your 5 glam bag products, then we'll build the rest of your bag to complement your choice. Save the date, which, yeah, it does seem they do that, so I'm very, very happy that they do that. Pick up to 5 add-ons. You'll now have access to more samples and full-size products from 100 plus brands at unbeatable prices. Get $50 plus of value in every glam bag. We're investing more than ever in delivering you coveted favorites and exciting new brands to create the most delightful glam bag experience. So, and then they have their socials in the bottom. So there's that. Sorry, I'm really hoarse. So the thing that I chose for this glam bag is another one of the Ofra highlighters, because I freaking love them. They are my favorite brand of highlighters I've tried. Granted, I haven't tried very many, but of the ones I have tried, I have loved them more than anybody. So this one is the Ofra Madison Miller highlighter in Moondance. It looks very, very similar to Star Island, but I mean, for how much I used that one, I was like, yes. Give me that one. I know what I like. It's very similar. It's got a little bit more of a goldish tint to it. The other one, I think, is a little bit more whitish, if I'm not mistaken. Or vice versa. I suppose I could always go look at them side by side. Actually, let's do that. Ooh, curiouser and curiouser. I went and got my beloved Star Island one, and holding them side by side, they're nearly identical, but again, it's my very favorite one that I own, so basically having a dupe of it, I'm totally okay with that. So this one is Star Island. This one is Moondance. So let us just look at them side by side. This one has slightly more gold to it. This one's a little paler. Other than that, they are basically a dupe for one another. But like I said, I'm very, very okay with that. And, I mean, for as heavily handed as I go with this stuff, I mean, my beloved Star Island one, it only shows this much wear in the very middle of it, basically. Like, you can barely even see where I use it at. And I use this a ton. Yeah, you can see the flat spot there. And I think there's, like, a couple spots around the edges, but mostly I go from the middle. But, I mean, I've been using this since, I think, July, fairly heavily, and that's all that shows. So between that, and now having this Madison Miller one, I'm like, they'll last me forever, basically. So, I mean, with any hope anyway. But at least, like I said, I know what I like. This was basically the same thing, and I am okay with it. Some other people might be really annoyed with that fact, but I'm like, dude, no, that actually makes me really, really happy, because I was worried about them being too far apart in shade, because on the website it looked different. I thought this was going to be more silvery, actually. And I wasn't sure how that would look on my skin, but if it's really close to this, then, you know, I know what I like, and I know it'll look good. So, what does it say about it? this limited edition collab between beauty guru Ofrigato and beauty lifestyle vlogger and mom, Madison Miller, features highly pigmented shadows, glosses, brushes, and more. This pearl-hued, baked highlighter glides on seamlessly to give you an out-of-this-world glow. Tip: apply anywhere the sun hits your face, like your temples, brow bones, high points of your cheeks, inner corners of your eyes, down the bridge of your nose, cupid's bow, and chin. Which I do all of them when I wear it. I don't have any on right now, but when I wear it, I put it all of these places. So, there's that. This was one of the things I had to have replaced, but this is the Too Faced Damn Girl mascara, which I am really, really excited. I have never actually owned anything by Too Faced before, so I'm like, I finally do. Even if it's only a sample size, I finally do. And that just cracks me up because the name on this makes me laugh so damn much. I almost bought the full-sized one of these once, but I couldn't quite justify spending that much on mascara. Now I'll at least know if I like it or not. Because they have this one and they have the Better Than Sex one. So I've never actually used one, but just the names alone make me laugh so much to where I was like, yes, send me that. So for shamelessly thick and curled lashes, Too Faced Damn Girl. And this is after 2 coats, and it's got the before and after. You can see that. Ignore my janky nails that need to be redone, but yeah. If that is actually accurate, I am going to freaking love this. 97% said they saw full-on volume, 100% said they saw intense black lashes, 99% said they saw long-lasting or long-wearing results, and 95% said they saw long-lasting curl. It's 24-hour mascara, but is it waterproof? I don't know. Doesn't really say. It's probably not. Damn, girl, those lashes are thick. Oh, they're trying too hard, but it's still funny. Damn Girl's revolutionary creamy mousse formula was developed with a special blend of whipped melting waxes that deliver an immediate full load of... I'm sorry, I'm immature. Full load of extreme volume without a heavy feel. Innovative polymers keep lashes flexible while lengthening and locking in 24 hours of smudge and flake-resistant curl. It has an infinity brush. You know, I have a different mascara I just opened that has a really oddly shaped brush, and now that I'm looking at this, maybe it's trying to be a dupe of this. I'm kind of intrigued. Our exclusive dual fiber infinity brush was engineered to hug, lift, and curl each lash. Short bristles load the formula for immediate release, and long bristles comb through to dispense product evenly for shocking volume, outrageous curl, and shamelessly thicker lashes. Damn girl, you look good. Hashtag TF damn girl. Oh my god. Whipped melting waxes melt into each other to create one weightless super layer. Lash suspension polymers lifts and locks and curl. Hydrophilic black creates shamelessly rich black lashes. It's ophthalmologist tested. And this is in French. Okay. So this says, beauty lovers flock to this line of innovative, cruelty-free, and fun products, just like this revolutionary cream mousse mascara. It's made with whipped/melting waxes that hug your lashes to lift, lengthen and volumize, plus it's non-flaking and smudge-proof. Tip: wiggle this mascara wand from the base of your lashes to the tips. Add extra coats to pile on the volume and intensity. I'm out of breath, and this is stupid that I'm out of breath, but let me take a sip of my Coke. Okay, hopefully that helps. Anyway, let's grab the next thing in the bag. This was the other thing out of the bag I had to have replaced because the one that first came was empty. That's fun. I mean, even the replacement feels like it's half empty, but I mean, it's better than nothing. So this is a lemon verbena clay mask by iBalm, and it deep cleanses pores. Lemon verbena clay mask cleanses skin's impurities and removes dead skin cells while soothing skin. It's sebum and pore care, soothing care, rice and red bean scrub, how to use, apply an appropriate amount. How much is an appropriate amount? An appropriate amount of clay mask onto cleansed skin. After 5 to 10 minutes, rinse and gently massage with lukewarm water. Okay. This K-Beauty's brand's name is inspired by the Korean word for springtime, the prettiest time of year. Made with skin-brightening lemon verbena, rice, red bean, and more, this clay mask removes impurities, controls excess sebum, and fights inflammation. So basically, this may be really, really good for my skin. Tip, leave an even layer of this clay mask to cleanse skin, avoiding your eyes and mouth. Let it sit for 5 minutes until dry. Remove with a wet washcloth. Okay. Next, we have, which one's this? C'est Moi Beauty Reflect Lip Gloss in Bliss. Isn't this? Where does it actually say that on here? Oh, I was looking at the back. So apparently this is the front. It doesn't really tell us much at all. Just how to use it. Excuse me. Well, let's read off the thing. Thanks to a blend of natural and organic oils, this high-shine lip formula has all the sheen of a gloss with none of the stickiness. Bliss is a sheer wash of pink. Fab on its own for daytime or layered over your fave lipstick for a bolder effect. Tip, wear this gloss alone or over a matte lipstick for a high-shine finish. Can I open this end? The other one's taped shut, so... Come on, you. Ooh, it's pretty. I like that. That reminds me a lot of the Smashbox. They're different, but I mean, same color family, so I'm pretty stoked with that. Let's see. Oh, I like the little diamonds all over it. Check it out. It's really pretty. Let's see. It claims it doesn't have a smell, so I want to know what it smells like. It really doesn't. Like, there is hardly a scent of anything there. I mean, usually when they're not fragranced ones, they have, like, this really wonky smell to them. This literally just smells like nothing. I'm actually super impressed with that, because that, like, never happens. Okay, I can get behind that. And then finally, we've got, and I don't really know if this is gonna work on me because of the color, but I mean, I can try it. But this is the Benefit Cosmetics Gimme Brow Plus Volumizing Eyebrow Gel in 4.5 Neutral Deep Brown. Which, I mean, we can see, I need help. That is not from tweezing. My eyebrows are just like that. They've been like that since I was a kid. It's always annoyed me. So, I mean, if this works, that could be a thing. I usually forget to include anything with my brows when I do makeup, so. I like the little magician. That's cute. Let's see here. Thin, skimpy brows, fuller looking now. I don't think that's even the same person in reality, but we'll pretend. I'll play their game. Volumizing microfibers, volumizes, tames, and tints brows, natural looking and buildable, water resistant and long wearing. To use, stroke the brush tip along brow to define the shape, brush through to blend and build. Take a look at it. Ooh, it's like magic. Oh, it's so itty bitty. Oh, like, it is really a sample, but oh, it's so little. Look at it. Oh my god, it's so cute. Okay, let's take a look. What have we got here? Whoop! Oh my goodness, look how tiny that brush is. That is so freaking cute. I'm like so scared to put this on right now. I may have to do this off camera because I'm like, I don't know about playing with a brow gel for the first time in my life while doing one of these unboxings. Maybe I'll do that a different day, but not right now. Anywho. But it is a teeny tiny little itty bitty cute travel size sample. The bolder brows of your dreams are here. This water-resistant gel is loaded with teeny microfibers that fill in sparseness, add definition, and shape to your brows while looking totally natural. Brow shaping newbie, this tapered brush makes application super easy. Which is good, because I am definitely a newbie. Tip, to fluff up your brows, use the spoolie to comb through them in an upward motion. I don't quite understand what this means, so I may need to watch a tutorial, because I'm like, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't think you're supposed to go dink, 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 dink up along the whole thing. Maybe. I mean, is that how you put on a brow gel? Seems like it would. Well, I mean, maybe. I don't know. But anyways, that's what I got in my normal Ipsy Glam bag. This is not including my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. I will do that in a separate video. Be that today or tomorrow, I will get that done and up and online. And then I can finally start reviewing the things and using them and stuff, because it's been killing me looking at them and not using them because I wanted to keep them pristine for the unboxings, but now I can finally use them, so yay, happy day. So anyway guys, that's it from me for this one. So as usual, you guys know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below about anything here, about what you got in your Ipsy bag this month, anything at all about anything. Leave it down below in the comments. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. So anyway, guys, until next time, bye-bye.